Welcome to Email Blaster Analytics. In this video, we're going to take a look at comparing email sends. This is a great resource which enables you to select different sends for a head-to-head comparison. You can select up to 4 campaigns to compare, but in this example, we're going to select 2. So we just mouse over and select our campaigns for a comparison. You'll see on the left-hand menu, we just need to tell the software what we're going to do with it. So let's select the bottom option, Compare Analytics. We'll now be given a few options of exactly what we want to compare. So we can compare multiple sends against each other by selecting the first option. We can compare by list name. So this enables us to compare the last 4 sends to a specific mailing list. Or we can compare by subject line. So we can compare the last 4 sends with a matching subject line. So those that shared the same subject line. In this example, let's select the first option. And now we just need to choose Load Comparison. Okay, we can see the results on screen here. So at the top, we can see each campaign is given an overall success score, and the winner will be highlighted in blue. So we can see here our campaign that was determined the winner scored 93%, and with our second place campaign in 85%. This uses a weighted metric system looking at your analytics to help determine which was the most successful by looking at all your engagements put together. As we scroll down, we can see we have a preview of each campaign, when it was sent to, the send size, and further down here, we have the raw details. So we can see here we have our delivered, opens, clicks, and social clicks. And you'll note that some of them are highlighted in blue. So the winning segment is always highlighted in blue. As an example, we can see that this one had a 60% open rate, so is in blue, whereas this campaign only achieved a 42% open rate. As we scroll down, we can look at the bounces. Again, the winners are always highlighted, so we can see 2.5% bounce rate versus a higher 3% bounce rate. And we can see the breakdown between the soft bounces and the hard bounces. As we scroll down further, we have the unsubscribes at the bottom. So again, the winner was this campaign with only a 1.6% unsubscribe rate versus a higher 3.1% on this campaign here. And we can see the summary of the suppressions and also the users that remained active. Okay, that's a quick look at understanding how to compare our email sends. See you in the next one.